Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn and Suites North Lima Boardman. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This North Lima hotel is just off the Ohio Turnpike near Mill Creek Park. The hotel offers a daily continental breakfast and free high-speed internet access. Quality Inn North Lima Boardman features a 24-hour front desk and laundry facilities. A fitness center is also available on site. Guest rooms at the Quality Inn and Suites North Lima are equipped with cable TV and coffee makers. Free local calls and hairdryers are also included in each room. The McDonough Museum of Art and Youngstown State University are within 9.9 miles of the Quality Inn North Lima Boardman. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.